Running WhatsApp online without installing it on your device is now possible with APKPure and the Uptoplay Android online emulator. This method allows you to access WhatsApp from any browser, eliminating the need for software downloads. To get started, visit APKPure and search for WhatsApp APK. Download the latest version and save it to your device. Next, go to Uptoplay's file manager and sign in or create an account if needed. Upload the WhatsApp APK file and wait for the process to complete. Once uploaded, locate the file in the Uptoplay file manager and click to install. After installation, open WhatsApp from the emulator's interface, enter your phone number, and complete the verification process. You can now use WhatsApp online directly from your web browser. There are many benefits to this method. First, it works on any device without taking up local storage. It also provides cross-platform access, allowing you to use WhatsApp on Windows, Mac, or mobile devices. Additionally, it offers a simple and convenient way to run WhatsApp online without needing a dedicated emulator on your computer. However, some limitations exist. Certain features, like voice and video calls, may not work properly within an online emulator. Performance may also depend on your internet connection speed. To ensure a smooth experience, download WhatsApp APK only from trusted sources like APKPure, and avoid sharing sensitive data when using Uptoplay. If you need a quick and efficient way to access WhatsApp online, this method offers an excellent solution. Try it today and experience the flexibility of running WhatsApp from your browser without any installations. Explore more tools and products on GoSearch. Find the link in the description.